Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Future Trends. So most of us are getting pretty comfortable with AI that can, write an email for us or whip up a cool image. But that's just the beginning. We are right on the edge of something way, way bigger. Let's dive into what this next level of artificial intelligence is all about.
Just let that sink in for a second. What if an AI didn't just respond to you, but could actually take an idea and just run with it? Imagine an AI that could manage your entire to-do list, or even help run your company all by itself. This isn't sci-fi anymore, folks. This is happening now.
Okay, so this brings us to the heart of it all. We need a new name for this new kind of AI, and that name is AI agent. We are talking about a huge leap beyond the chatbots that we're all used to. So let's break down what that actually means.
Here it is, the core definition. An AI agent can think, yes, but the really crucial part is that it can also plan and execute complex tasks all on its own. That word right there, autonomously, that's the magic ingredient. It doesn't need you holding its hand every step of the way.
This really puts the difference in perspective, right? A chatbot, think ChatGPT, it thinks and it responds. You ask it something, it gives you something back. Simple. But an AI agent, it thinks, it creates a whole multi-step plan, and then, this is the big one, it acts on that plan in the real world. That acts part, that's the game changer.
Probably the easiest way to picture this is to imagine a personal assistant on steroids. You could literally just say, hey, plan my business trip to Tokyo for next week, and it would just go. It would find the best flights, book a hotel that it knows you'd like, and then just pop it all into your calendar. No more questions asked.
But of course, with a technology this powerful, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. With this kind of power comes some pretty serious questions, and yeah, some pretty big risks. So we got to look at both sides of the coin here, the incredible promise and the potential peril.
On the one hand, the possibilities are just amazing to think about. We talked about booking a trip, sure. But what about an agent that runs your entire social media strategy? Creating posts, scheduling them, actually growing your audience for you? Or how about this? An agent that can take a simple phrase like a website for a local coffee shop and just, poof, build it. The jump in productivity could be massive.
But then you have to ask the really hard questions. What happens when that agent messes up and books the wrong non-refundable flight? Or what if an agent working for a business makes a disastrous financial trade? And this all leads to that bigger, kind of scarier question. What if an AI agent just goes rogue? What if it starts doing things we never intended for it to do?
And that right there, that's the real heart of the fear, isn't it? This idea that we could build something so smart, so independent, that we actually lose control over it. This isn't just some technical hurdle. It's a really deep human fear about the things we create.
Now, even with all those risks on the table, the consensus in the tech world is crystal clear. The future of AI is autonomous. This isn't just another small update. This is being seen as the next great leap forward for artificial intelligence as a whole.
You can see the path so clearly when you lay it out like this. We started with simple AI tools that did one specific thing. Write this, draw that. Then we got chatbots that could actually talk with us. So the next logical step, what many people see as totally inevitable, is an AI that can actually take action.
And here's the bottom line. As cool as today's AI tools are, a lot of experts think they're just the opening act. The real revolution, the one that's going to fundamentally change how we all work and live, truly begins when AI can finally act for itself. So you see, this isn't just a conversation about technology anymore. It's about us. And because this tech is moving faster than anyone really predicted, it brings the whole discussion right back to you and me.
So, what's your take? After seeing the promise and the peril, where do you land? Are you genuinely excited about the incredible possibilities these autonomous agents could unlock? Or are you a little scared about where this whole thing is headed? There's really no wrong answer. Comment below. I really want to know what you think. Plus, don't forget to subscribe to AI Future Trends to stay ahead of the future.